sharpen your editing skills with these 7 features in CapCut Pro. These are not just an ordinary features. These are so professional and AI powered. And we're going to cover all these 7 really features, 7 pro features, and very premium in this video. So what I want you to do is have your CapCut ready and let's go through it. And what we can do is really interesting and really unbelievable. So you will be able to sharpen your skills, your editing skills, and there will be a lot of opportunities for your editing. So let's jump in without further details.
The very first thing you would notice in CapCut Pro, one of the very best feature is Video Translator. It's available for the paid version or pro features. It'll be through a credit. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna test out a video of mine actually there. So this is it, and it'll be through a credit. So I have left 700, and this will cost me something kind of maybe 294 or 0. It's just, I think, an estimate or something. So basically it'll cost nothing. So we're gonna say translate. So it says the source language should be different. Of course, this is English. So we're gonna go to Japanese, and we're gonna see if it's possible. We're gonna agree to the notice and terms. This will take a little bit of time, and then we'll be able to see the video actually speaking a different language. This is incredible. CapCut has done it. We haven't seen anywhere else yet. Through apps, yes, but not in actual video editing yet. Alright, so we got the video, and now we're going to see really actually how this is going to be. Now you're going to be excited and you're going to be shocked, definitely.
生産性アプリやメモアプリに切り替えるのをやめてください。だからあなたが概念を使いたいとしましょう。コンピューター上で何であれ、keep または
This is amazing. It's almost my voice and it's always me. A different person is speaking, obviously, but we can notice it's AI. But this is incredible. A good start that it can do. The CapCut is something not regular nowadays. That is the first thing I would really pay attention to. The other one would be long video to shorts. This is something incredible. They have done it well. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna load a long video, and it's gonna find out which part is really good for the short. Now this is something that you might not be able to do it quickly. It's gonna take long for the upload, and it has still like this is, since I'm a pro feature, so I have the limit of 240 minutes. But in the free version, you will have 60 minutes. So this is something incredible that the CapCut has done, and it supports 20 more than language, I guess. So, but mostly people work with English, so this is something incredible. It'll save us a lot of time. The next one would be enhanced quality. Enhanced quality will give us a better and HD quality over a video. For example, let's pick this video that I had. So it'll make this much higher quality. So it'll be, if this is not an HD video, so it'll be like more like an HD version. So I'm gonna put it over here so you can see that in a more better way. And this is it. This is enough, I think. So we're gonna try it. So transcribing, we don't want that right now. So obviously you can see that we have enhanced pro features. This is actually in the progress. As you can see, it's not still done yet, so we can move to HD or UHD. Incredibly great feature. The next one would be motion tracking. I had a video on this to track the motion based on a subject. So this is incredibly well again, and very, very beautifully and nicely done. We can do a lot of stuff using this. Now, I won't do it a lot of these because it will take a lot of time to do this, but the concept is you can choose face or body and then the subject will move with it. That is something incredibly good. We won't be able to do it with a lot of work in Adobe Premiere Pro and the other editing apps, but in here we can click away. It's just very accessible and available. The fifth feature that I want you to pay attention with is avatars. Avatars are incredibly here available, and we can choose an avatar and voiceover to do it. We have a lot, we can pick as many as we want, and based on our project, these avatars will give us a natural look on actually what they can do and how they are. So we're going to pick one of them. I know it's going to take a little bit longer, but we will do it anyway. So let's go through the Leonard. We're going to download it. Once available, we can drag the material right at the timeline and choose a voiceover and the content of his or her speech in the video. So as you can see, we are now we got the Leonard. We're gonna hit next. You're gonna say some script. Hi there, it's Jan. Do you want to add the audio or just a voiceover? We're going to go with the voiceover.
Hi there, it's Jan.
So this is going to be good.
Hi there, it's Jan.
So we're going to create generate, and it'll be automatically put in a timeline so we'll be able to see it.
Hi there, it's Jan. Hi there, it's Jan.
I don't see any movement, but... So it's still applying, so that will take a little bit longer. Once it's complete, we will be able to see the mouth movement and gesture and all of that together. So now it's ready.
Hi there, it's Jan.
So you can see that it is 60 frames per second, which is good. Very high, very gesture and very high gesture. The next one is Pro stickers. These stickers are not easy to find if you're a really beginner editing in editing video. So these are going to be Pro and very hard to find sometimes, particularly like subscribe, like, on all of this together, or icons, or so that means that they already put something great like arrows there. So for your editing style, I know it's going to take a long time, and my videos are not very edited and not the only thing that I want you to really know that the content of the real thoughts in my video, not the actual editing. That's it. So, and the last feature that I want you to really pay attention, I know there's a lot, and we will be continuing doing it for you, introducing features for you, but is incredible premium stocks over the actual video stocks and audio and the text. So these combination is such a nice thing. So you won't be needing an audio subscription or licensing audio to your video. So this will take care of the video, audio, and paid stickers and avatars and all of that together in your CapCut. All right, I hope you enjoyed it. We will talk about it a lot, and this could be a good start.
Thanks for watching for this video, and I'm very happy that you found something useful in this video. Let me know what you think, and make sure to share it with your friends and family, and always support us. See you in another video.